Good morning. Going to town today and you're invited to come with me. And I'm off on the way to town. It's a lovely crisp spring-like morning. It's not very cold. If you listen really well you can hear the birds. Can you? Yeah. Not too cold, so light jacket. And I'm going to town. I need a few things, not much, but I just want to have a look around, a browse around, stretch my legs a bit, get out of the house a bit. So come with me. I'm going to get the bus. So I'm walking to the bus stop and I see which one I get. In town. Let's show you some of the sights. I need to get to the bank to get some cash, because I don't think that shop, the first shop I'm going into, I don't think they take cash. Sorry, they don't take cards, so I've got to get some cash. Still not too cold, and I like the sights and sounds of winter. Winter coming to an end. I like the sights and sounds of spring. And here I'm at Temple Row. Here, signs of spring when the daffodils are coming up. So yeah, anyway, off to the bank to get some cash. I think they call this park Pigeon Park because it's always filled with pigeons. Can you see those up in the tree? Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. And some more on the ground.
I hope you enjoyed. I'll be performing that with a full band in Birmingham, 24th of July as part of my The Dreams tour. Come down if you'd like to. If you'd like more details on how to get down there, grab a leaflet just here. Give them a wave, bang. Grab that lovely thing there. Sarah, you're absolutely legend. Right, who won? Rose won again. Rose is That's Irish, right?
I've got the cash that I needed, so now I'm off to the market. Well, it's near to the market. It's quite busy now, even though it's morning, because I forgot this week kids have 1 week break from school, so it's quite busy. Kids and moms and some dads too. Actually get a takeaway recently, and it was from this place, Wingstop. All sorts of wings in all sorts of flavors, including boneless wings. And fudge company selling fudge, and other sweets, all varieties. This is a refreshing sound to hear in the city. And then the famous St. Martin's Church. Here, that's the outdoor market. Zoom in a bit. Yeah. That there is the outdoor market. I might check it out in a bit. And then the indoor market through those doors on the left of that gentleman. No, on his right. And then over here, somewhere over here, is the shop, the first shop that I want to get into to get a few products for a friend. Oh, not that one.
Oh, darling. I'll make sure next time you come.
So Nick Snack Shop sells every little thing. I need one of those, you know. I didn't come prepared for that today, but I like those. Really?
No.
That it's alive. Alive, alive, alive. Whoa. Woo. Yeah. Got everything that I wanted. Now I'm going back on the bus to head home. We're on a mission today. Going to the... You just fell on your head? Sorry. Let's start again. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa.
Welcome back to another beautiful day in Birmingham.
Yeah.
We're on our way to the charity shop. We're decluttering again.
Yeah, we've
Still
started our
getting-
spring cleaning mission.
Getting rid of stuff and making the place more free, lighter, and we still have got lots of stuff. Anyway,
So first stop is charity shops. We might have a look in there as well if there's anything that we need
to declutter up our house again.
To declutter or clutter up.
No, to clutter up. Clatter.
And then second stop is, did you bring the document that you want to print?
Yeah,
okay. Second stop I think is this real estate agent because there's something up in the works.
Yeah.
But we'll tell you about that in another video.
Alright, come with us on the road now though.
Yeah.
Guys, we have guests this weekend.
Oh yeah.
First in a long
First in
time.
years, guests staying over.
We're gonna have guests. So we're cooking up
A storm later.
Yeah. Oxtail, curry chicken,
Potato salad,
rice and peas,
carrot
Are you
cake.
doing the carrot cake?
No, you're doing it.
Me? No.
Why?
You good at it. The only thing you put too much grease. But you're
So,
better at it
so
than
you
me.
do it then, because you won't put as much grease.
Me not cooking people.
All right, I'll cook the carrot cake. You cook the curry chicken.
That's alright.
Okay.
You know what can spice up the curry chicken a bit and make it like color style?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Just put little in there. Yeah.
So that's the pre.
And the vegetable salad we've been having these days really
nice, crunchy. Cut the vegetables in little cubes. So peppers, little cubes, same size as sweet corn.
Yeah.
So peppers,
Carrot.
sweet corn, carrots will be rough shredded. So rough grated. Lettuce the same
No
size.
cucumber because we want it to last
No.
for more than a day.
And
Usually
cucumber
when you
kind of
put
make it
cucumber-
soggy and
Yeah, not so nice.
yeah.
But also cashew nuts.
Oh yes, cashew
nuts.
nuts. Even after
After
the day and it gets soggy, it just kind of meaty.
nutty in
I
it
like
as well.
it.
Yeah.
I like it.
And we have that we can put in it, but I'm not so sure yet.
What?
Pomegranate.
Oh no, I wouldn't. No.
Okay.
We had made a salad one time that pomegranate was nice in. Pomegranate with avocado and the little orange.
Oh, the little segments like
Yeah.
orange segments. Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice, but it might spoil up this one. This one, we've got it perfect, so I don't think we should.
Yeah. And
Adjust
this
it
one
in
you
any
can
way.
have with or without a dressing. It really is
Yeah.
nice. You don't need a dressing.
Yeah.
But if you do, whichever dressing is your favorite, you can still have it with it.
Yeah.
Ranch or whatever, a little vinaigrette. But it's really nice.
Oh, and red onions.
Oh, that makes it
Red
lovely.
onions go
But
in it.
don't make them too big. To be really finely chopped or perhaps grated. And not too much either.
Yeah.
But it gives it
Just
a
a
nice
nice-
flavor. And the interest of color.
Yeah.
Who was that?
I don't know, but the person is running and I don't see any bus, so I'm kind of weary. Hey, so that's the pre today. Perhaps we'll let you see when we're cooking and we can chat with Storm then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good idea.
So see you in a bit. Might show you a little of the charity shop as well.
Oh yeah.
Toodaloo.
like nice vases or vases. £2. I like the shape of this one, not the color, but it's also £2. This is cute, but small. Is this our next project? £20. Yeah, so one job done. Next, Lisa, fix up your face. It's not as bad as it's worse than that. People, we have a house for sale. Is it 4 bedrooms? Is it 4? 5, but one is locked away. Yeah. Or one has storage. Guys, I don't know. The economy is not doing well, so our investment's not doing as good as we hoped. Yeah. So if you want a house, I'm stressed right now about this house. I've just been in to see the agent, and he's saying, well, what is happening is that for the last 12 or more months, the mortgage has gone up every single month because of the way the economy is right now. So I've been asking the agent to ask the housing people who have the house rented. Well, the house is rented to them, and then they have tenants in there. I've been asking this agent out here for an increase. Now, the latest he's come back with is they can offer £75 more. But over the 12 months, I've paid out much more than £75. Yeah. So I can't stick to £75. That can't help. And things are just getting worse and worse. It's April soon, and I'm betting that it's going. Well, it's not in March yet. It's going to go up in March. It's going to go up again. Oh yes, that's already. March, that is going to go up in March, and April it is going to go up again. I like the house as well. It's a nice, big, spacious, comfortable house, but I don't like the area that it's in. The street. When I bought that house, I moved into it. I remember we moved from where we live now, moved into that house just to, you know, experience the niceness of this big space. But then it's on a main road. That's the first thing, and it just was noisy and main bus route. So we moved back to this house, but I just want to sell it. But as well, he's saying that it's not a good time now to sell. I think you should get a second opinion, getting a second opinion is not going to help, because they can't view. While tenants are in it, they can't get to view. So I've dropped the ball back in his court, and I've asked him to go back to the housing agency to ask for more than £75. Ask for at least £200, and then that can cover some of my costs. So that's the pre. I'm not happy, but just give me a low feeling. Anyway, where are we going now? You're going to write up that? Yeah, I'm going to write this up and drop it in the post. Alright. See you guys. Pray for me. Pray for the economy. There's an endless song waiting to be sung with the voice of it. Next stop we're going to make is to a supermarket. We've now decided that in addition to all those things you heard us say we're cooking, we're also going to be doing some sticky barbecue wings, because the children, the two big young people, will be home this weekend. So we're just gonna make up all that food and put in the fridge so that they don't have to bother us too much. They're still gonna bother us, but not too much. So sticky barbecue wings added now to the list. Ice cream. Oh yes, we need an ice cream up there. Who like crumble, Joe? Don't know if our guests will like it. I don't mind it. An ice cream and crumble go well together. So yeah, we have green apples. Yeah, we have oats, raisins, flour, butter, cinnamon. So yeah, we can get an ice cream as well. We have sugar. Yeah. Oh, it's the Lord. Sorry.
I was to go in this hardware to get silicone, I think it's called, for round the sink and round the stove. So I had passed my turning point because I was talking to you guys, but now we're here, so I'm going to walk in. Carry the camera, show them in there. You want to see in there? When you come to England, you look yourself. Oh, I need to find somewhere to drop this letter to. I think there was one somewhere here. Okay. At Aldi. 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 Is it Italian no or German? So it's Aldi. I don't know what it is. Not Patra. Oh, we're going in with our Oloman bag. There's a shortage of eggs, but not in Aldi. Yeah, there's lots of eggs. So if you're short of eggs and you are anywhere else looking for eggs and can't get them, come to Aldi.
Store assistant required till 5, please.
First, we see any tropical sun product in the supermarket. This is an interesting pasta. Farfel. It open. Boy.
Thank you. 1984, please. Cash or card?
Card.
Thank you.
Thank you. Eggs. Paperwork for the house. Ice cream. Silicone sealant for the sink and the cooker. Chicken wings, bread, lemon, daffodils, sugar was in a vase, some salad leaves because I like the purple color ones. Yeah, at interest. And nectarine, cookies because somebody loves white chocolate cookies. Mandarin segments. That's the what we were talking about. That we made a salad with mandarin segments, avocado, pomegranate, and that was really nice. Just that. No dressing needed either. We're going to try this for the first time. Root vegetables with sea salt. Yeah, so crisp. And then last thing, popcorn. One movie night. So now we're gonna get down to cooking, cleaning up this meat. Well, packing away these first, cleaning up this meat, and actually cooking. Oh. Remember the bag that burst in the supermarket in the box? Two pretty pasta shapes. Big craft with them. Yeah. They're dried pasta, so they could do a craft. There's an endless song waiting to. There they are, my daffodils closed, which means they're not yet open. And that's saved for Auntie. Chicken wings prep. Large bowl, big knife. Oh, the chicken, the curry chicken that was marinating already. And we took it out of the fridge before we went on the road. So the chicken wings one, I know it's best Jamaicans to marinate your meat before you actually cook it. But we just made a quick decision to cook chicken wings. So they're not going to have a chance to marinate for long. But they're gonna be wicked. Anyway, they're gonna taste good. So I'm going to cut them, clean them up. Is it the sticky ones you're doing? Yes, sticky barbecue. So it's going in the oven. Yeah. So it's going to fry for a little bit, then go in the oven with the marinade on. Not with the marinade, with the barbecue sauce on, which I make myself and I'll show you today. Oh, we can watch TV. So some of the times you won't be in here, okay? We're gonna watch crime. That's what we like to do, watch crime documentaries. But it's a lot of cooking, so you'll see some of it. Plus we have the cake to do and the salad to do. We're preparing for 2 special guests. No, 4. I forgot the kids. I forgot the kids. Yeah, we're praying for them too, and 2 more. Whatever you do to the least of these, you do it unto me. So I'm doing the Lord's work today. Every time I say I'm going to chop this pot, and every time we go right back to it. Very heavy, very sturdy. Just needs scouring. The outside, the inside is fine. It's firm, but yeah. So I'm cleaning the wings. I finished cutting them up and I'm cleaning it with lemon and water. Then I'm going to drain, pat dry, season, leave to marinate for a bit, and then I'm going to start with the cake. And how's the curry chicken going? Curry chicken, what's it? Sealed. So I've just not brown, but I've not burned the curry, but cooked. I've cooked the curry, intensify the flavor. Yeah. And then I've added the chicken. It's been in there for about 6-7 minutes. And then I'm just going to add some water to the bowl that had the marinated chicken in. Add it to that, put the lid on, and then after that I'll add a little bit of coconut milk. Right, some paper towel pat dry. Nothing like you frying your chicken and it's wet and spitting. I like it to be as big as possible. It's a whole lot of chicken in this too. Even in the charger shop, prices were on a high. What time is it? Did you change it? Oh, I need to change it. But in gravy boats, $250. They were $200. So things are sky high. The chicken is done. The curry chicken. The curry chicken, yeah. I'm going to make a little rice so we can have some lunch. And then in the meantime, yeah. But whilst the rice is going to be cooked, now I'm doing the carrot cake. So I've just washed it. You don't have to peel the carrots. If they're not, yeah, because sometimes I see some really muddy looking carrots. But these are nice and clean. I've still cleaned them with a brush. Yeah. And then I'm going to grate. So I'm using this side, the rough side of the grater. That's what we're after. It's quick and easy. Grated carrot, add the other stuff, mix together, Bob your and it doesn't taste carroty. It tastes really nice. And also this recipe can be adapted to use courgette. Instead of carrots, just take out the same amount of carrots, put courgette. Nice, moist courgette cake that doesn't taste like vegetable. And then we're going to make them in these loaf tins. Although I'm thinking we should make one lot in a round, one of them in a round container as well. Oh, look how much carrot I have so far. That one, yeah. Make one in that and then it's nice and pretty. Oh, I'm going to dish up the curry and put it aside to cool, yeah. Before it goes in the fridge. And we keep a folder like that with just recipes that we like. Yeah. Some handwritten, some printed off. But if we've tried it once and it works well, we put it in a folder so we always have it. And that's kept in the pantry. Okay, we got it here? Yeah, it's all here. Flour do you need? We'll do it again. Look at the recipe, please, and double it. We're making double. So already I have a bowl full of carrots. Carrots for carrot cake. Carrot for days. God, it was of Jamaican. Flour, let me see how much I need. 180 grams, so 360. You want to do it? You'll be able to fit 360 in it. And then cinnamon.
some mixed spice as well. And nutmeg. So cinnamon, mixed spice, nutmeg. Prep those. Have we ever tried this recipe with whole wheat flour?
Oh yes, because we did the vegan version.
Yeah, that's true. Of course, some salt.
3, what was it? 360. And that's a little bit more. Just put a little. About 100 more. They'll never know. How will they know? They'll never know. Well, it's now 5:04.
Use it.
Mixed spice, cinnamon. Then I'll grate the nutmeg in. We have whole nutmeg from Jamaica, from the Spice Island, Jamaica.
You know which country is the Spice Island?
Is it Grenada?
Grenada.
Yeah. Curry chicken going in this and then cool down for the fridge. Can you see me? And this recipe, the original, asks for plain flour and baking powder, but I'm using self-raising flour. I think I used to put a little baking soda in still. And I have some mixed fruit soaking in that good old stuff. I'm putting some in. How much sugar do I need? And we're not putting as much sugar as is required because of the fruits. They are sweet already, so we don't need, and we're sweet, we don't need any more sweetness. So that's almost 1 nutmeg gone in. And curry chicken ready. I'm going to cool it down on the table and then it goes in the fridge. Yeah. So mix these together. And I need a measuring jug to do oil, eggs, and what else? Oh, and liquid flavor. So vanilla. And we have as well, what's that other liquid? Almond essence, I think. Yes, so we have almond and vanilla. How much oil do you need? I think you said 300 ml. Okay. For half, but we found that it's too greasy with the whole 300 ml, so I'm doing only 300 ml, although we're doubling the recipe. The eggs and the sugar and the oil go together. So 150 sugar, so really 300 should do for the double, but I'm going to do 250 less sugar because you have the dried fruits. Sugar can go in the oil. How many eggs? 6 eggs. So this is just oil and sugar. Put this one in. Put some in, just to be able to make space for the other eggs. You put the liquid for the rest in it. Oh no, I forgot the liquid spice. Finish with the scale. Yeah. I need vanilla soon. And all that's left to do is to mix all the ingredients together now. So the flour, every now and again, some flour. Every now and again, some of the liquid, which is egg, oil, sugar. Then the last thing to go in is the fruits. Once in a while, we put nuts as well. But we're not adding them. We're saving our nuts for the salad. Alright, I'm going to show you when it's going into the tins, perhaps. Mixture is all done, and that's what it looks like. We're going to decant them into these containers. So this, and then 2 long tins, and we'll see if we need any more container. So when we get them out of the oven, we'll let you see. And potatoes gone in, or going in now for potato salad. Yeah. Right, potato salad on the ready. So potatoes, green peas in this now. I'm going to add carrots. We like crunchy bits of carrots, just little tiny cubes of carrots in there. Onion, sweet corn, egg, and then black pepper, and mayonnaise, and Bob's your uncle again. Bob's always your uncle. And this time in the oven. Oh yeah, they know that. This time I'm going to peel the little part of the carrot that I'm using. So this is all I'm using. Lunch was yummy but not too spicy. I think it needs more spice. We bought some Scotch bonnet pepper, but I don't think they're the real deal. Can I have this washed? Hot, hot. Thank you. Thank you. Americans for you. Thank you. New Yorkers, I think. Yeah, so just cut them thin like that. Then lengthwise, and then just little cubes. I like the crunch that they add to potato salad. Did you say peppers going in as well? Yeah. But I want most of that pepper to be used in my raw vegetable salad, so I'm not putting much in this. And believe it or not, we've been so busy we haven't even turned on the TV yet for the rained a little, but I think it's cleared up now. The sun is trying to come out again. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar. No more. No more. I'm afraid of you too. You know what I'm thinking as well with the chicken wings? I'm going to do some KFC style hot and spicy wings. I also call it hot wings. Yeah, some KFC style hot wings, and then some barbecue, sweet sticky barbecue style ones. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I've drained the sweet corn. I'm going to add some. So you see the color? Yeah. And then I'm to look for what color I don't have yet. What color? So yellow, I have yellow pepper. I also have orange pepper, but I have those colors represented already. So I'm just going to use a little bit of orange. We haven't got red pepper, have we? I think. Check please. Because I'd rather use a different color. I like when the potato salad is nice and colorful. Oh, and the eggs are just getting cool in cold water so I can feel them. Any? Ta-da! Yeah! So just a side of red pepper cut into the same little cubes. Yeah, what a color combo. Check back when I'm mixing it all together. Guys, I just want to show you this Tropics hot and spicy chicken fry mix. That's what we use anytime we're making Kentucky style wings, hot wings. really nice. Tropics is the brand. So I'm doing some of the wings, like I said, that style, and then some is going to have barbecue sauce on. Cake still coming on nicely. So I'm going to mix that up in a bit, but I'm going to add the others because the frying pan is hot for the other set. Wow. Cakes look nice. Lovely. That time is for the cake to come out, so I'm going to check. This house is getting hot. Just put it right here. Sneak peek, right? Show them. Can you see? Don't drop. Clean. Cake's done. Clean, done. So we need the oven to remain on because the chicken is going to be half fried, half cooked in the hot oil, and then finished off in the oven. Next one. Done. Let's check to be sure. Let's check this one to be sure. Dry means done. Right, whilst the wings are being fried, I'm going to start preparing the sauce, which is like a sticky, sweet barbecue sauce. But I use a variety of things. So I'm using ketchup, sweet chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, honey. I'm going to put a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper sauce in, and of course barbecue. And then whilst the chicken is still hot, so it goes straight out of the frying pan into the sauce, and then onto a tray into the oven. It's a long cooking marathon. What time is it? We want to finish by 3. Everything done. I'll show you in a bit what's already done. Here. The oxtail is done. I did that last night, so it's in the fridge. Rice and peas, half done. So a thick sauce that each wing is going to go in one at a time, and it has to go in hot. Yeah, so this is going on heat now. Any powder seasoning, no powder seasoning at all. And it just makes for a nice sticky barbecue wings. And then the ones that are only barbecue wings need that one. The KFC style spicy wings, hot wings, don't need anything else. So this one can go up. I'm going to put it on. So the KFC style ones coming out. And these will go in the oven as well, just to continue the cooking, so don't fry them for long. KFC style ones, hot wings, just going in the oven now. So 10 minutes in the oven and they're done. Whilst the other set, I'll show you once I coat them and put them on the tray. Sticky barbecue wings. Sticky barbecue wings. Woohoo! I had forgotten to show you the start of the salad. So in here now I have carrots cut into little cubes, same size as sweet corn. Then I have cashew nuts, red and orange peppers. So that's what's in so far. I'm going to add lettuce, red onions, and some mixed salad leaves. ready. Yeah. Finished salad. The cashew nuts, is it in it? Cashew nuts in there, lettuce, no tomato nor cucumber, nothing that's soggy. So sweet corn, carrots, lettuce, red onion, peppers, sweet corn, and so on. Barbecue chicken wings. And then the KFC one in the oven. But all done now. I'm going to show you a spread in a little while after we clean up. Yeah. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you so much for staying with us this week, and especially for this cooking marathon. That's what we're expecting, like. Friends and family, for this weekend. We'll think of you whilst we eat. We want to check the cake. It's not totally cool, but the reason we love you is in these cases as well. It's so easy to clean up afterwards, because that needs a light wash out and then nice light rinse, and then it's done, dry, put back. Well, the cake, and these are disposable. Shall we get a little saucer? Yeah. A little side plate. 2 little side plates. 2 forks. It feels nice and moist and light. And by the way, carrot cake is nicer the longer it stays. Yeah. Like the flavor develops the longer it stays. Still a little warm. Go on up and show it. There's my first slice. Still warm. Spongy. Nice texture. So we'll end by showing you the spread. The rice and peas, we've started it, half started. So peas cooked, seasoned up, coconut milk in it, it's just to add the rice. And the oxtail is cooked already as well, just to add beans. But thank you. And this cake is delicious. See you next time. Bye.